Very warm welcome to all our viewers. Welcome to Bollywood Live's special show, Siblings Confidential. And today, I've got two amazing sisters. One we all know, Daisy Shah, brilliant, talented, gorgeous. But with her joining us for the first time on Bollywood Live is her equally lovely sister, Deepali Shah. So, welcome
Drum rolls,
both of
please.
you all. Drum rolls for the first time. For the first time. Welcome to both of you all. Thank you all for doing our show, Siblings Confidential. And we want to know everything you all do as sisters, your childhood memories. आप लोग को एक दूसरे का पोल भी खोलना है, आप लोग को बताना है कि तब इसने क्या किया, अब इसने क्या किया, सिबलिंग राइवलरी, #सिबलिंग गोल्स हमें चाहिए आप दोनों से, ओके?
Jhagde, I think fighting is something that we have been doing since childhood, and that is something that we follow till date.
उसी में तो प्यार है ना?
Especially कपड़ों को लेके.
Okay.
Only the priorities have changed now. When we were small, we used to fight for pencil, erasers, pens, and all that stuff. And right now, we fight for different things. Yeah. Clothes, food. The things have changed.
Food, yeah.
But the fight are the same.
Daisy is a big foodie. I do not. Deepali, you also as big a foodie as Daisy?
She's a bigger foodie than me.
Yeah.
Just before we came here, she's like, "Chal cake खाते हैं."
Okay. ठीक है. तो हम अपना पहला राउंड शुरू करते. And this round is called Yadein, where we want to take you all through some of your childhood memories. So for the very first question, because Deepali is on the show for the first time, my first question is to Deepali, where I want to know the memory, your first memory of, holding Daisy, of just being with your sister. What's the very first memory you have?
Yeah, I remember when she was just born, and my dadu had taken me to see her, and I did not hold her. I was quite small, but yeah, I just patted her, like this, something like this. I do remember. I have that faint memory.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, both of y'all, but the one has to tell the other person's answer over here. So I want to know both of y'all's childhood hobbies. Daisy will tell me Deepali's childhood hobby, and Deepali will tell me Daisy's childhood hobby.
I think hers was cycling or skating.
Oh,
में से कोई एक.
You're a good skater. That's impressive.
And me. And for Daisy, dancing. She always used to dance everywhere in the house. Yes.
That goes without doubt. और उसी से हमारा तीसरा question है, because we all know Daisy is such a brilliant dancer. Deepali, tell us that how many times did you catch Daisy dancing in front of the mirror, or Daisy dancing when a song used to come on TV? How many times did she do that growing up?
That is always. I mean, even if you're seeing her, you're not seeing her. If she sees herself into the mirror or in front of the screen, that time it was Doordarshan and Geet Mala and everything used to come. Yeah, so even if that Geet Mala is on, she will do some moves, any crazy moves. It can be even jumping from the sofa and doing hoo-ha, something like this, yeah. I remember dancing on the famous thing that we, even till date, we sing that. Ek titli, anek titliya. Yes. We do still.
Okay. अभी भी ऐसा कुछ होता है?
No, we just have a smile, Even right now when we are talking to you and she sang, we just have that smile,
Yeah.
Those are some special
memories come flooding back. Yeah, that's exactly what you want. But now I want to know who was most studious at homework.
It was me, yeah, of course.
Always me. She was the extracurricular one, right? Into dancing and all.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, at sports also. I was more into activities and she was more into studies. Books.
Okay, so do I even need to ask who was better at sports? So it is understood who was better.
It's me.
Okay. So what would be the memory of yours? When that some big sporting thing, he came running off. मैंने prize जीत लिया, ये cup मैंने जीता. ऐसी कौन सी memory है?
Well, see, to be very honest, she was in a different school. I was in a different school.
Oh.
She's been brought up by my dada-dadi, and I've been brought up by my mom and dad, which means she was the more privileged one than me.
आपको दांत खाना पड़ा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my dada-dadi used to pamper her like how? I was more like, हाँ ठीक है ना. She was like, अरे Deepali, it was like that. But so sports days and something we don't really share those days together. That's because we were from different schools.
True. But now y'all, regardless, even if y'all were at different schools, I want to know who used to get into more trouble at school.
It was always her.
So
It was always her who used
all the
to
naughty
get
stuff
into
is
trouble.
Daisy.
Yes, yes. All the naughty stuff was Daisy. Yeah. All the complaints from the teachers, and she was not too much into studies, and she loved the other things, you know, around, and trying to miss the class sometimes. Yeah. Hey, I never missed the
Used to
class.
bunk
Don't lie.
classes, Daisy?
No, never. I have never done that.
Dipali is telling me something
And
else.
in the college, Dipali, in college, you bunked more than me. Yeah, but still I got better marks. And she was always on a holiday thing, you know, always absent. Yeah, because I was working. Yeah, she was working. Yeah,
That reason is there. That reason. तो ऐसा होता था because you know मेरे साथ तो ये होता था कि मेरे दोस्त करते थे मेरे लिए. Anybody used to put proxy and all for you?
No. I never had any friends in college. That's because I never attended. Yes. That's the problem.
अच्छा, attend.
So I was always a blacklister.
Friends बनाने के लिए attend करना पड़ता था. I used to not attend, so there's no
Exactly,
question.
वही. But I started working right after my SSC exams. So वो एक life है जो वो एक phase है मेरी life का जो मैंने experience ही नहीं की.
Anyways, you're having a lot of fun now. So this was Yade, and if the childhood memories were so interesting, we cannot wait to know what would be your sibling secrets, which is our next round, spilling the sibling secrets of each other. So the first
I have lots. I have
yes,
lots to say.
lots. And what I'm asking, give some nice, juicy stories behind it also. Yeah. Okay, so first thing, the annoying nicknames you all had for each other.
It was more like Vandri and Putri. Yeah. Putri.
Okay, that is serious.
Still
These are
right now
serious
also
nicknames,
Putri.
right?
Yeah, Putri is still there.
So, y'all both used to call each other Kutri or one?
No, one used to call Vandri and one used to call Kutri. So alternate hote rehte. Yes. Depends on the moods, you know.
Okay, and so whenever you all used to fight, this used to happen, probably.
Yeah. Always. Still even today. Even today it happens.
Okay. Okay. The next one is, which is the biggest childhood mischief you all remember? कि अभी लगा था यार अभी तो गया अभी तो मैं बचने नहीं वाला.
Get patang and everything. पीछे का जामुन का झाड़ी. हाँ, obviously. Yeah. So पहले के घर में जब हम लोग विले पाले में रहते थे तो घर के पीछे जामुन का झाड़ हुआ करता था.
Okay.
जामुन का and then बादाम फ्रूट.
Yeah.
काजू एंड बादाम का जो फ्रूट होता है उसका झाड़ हुआ करता था. तो हम लोग वहां पे दोपहर को बेसिकली हमको घर से बाहर धक्के मार के निकाल दिया जाता था, मुझे और मेरी बहन को, कि जाओ हमको सोना है, वी नीड अ नैप, जस्ट गेट द हेयर आउट ऑफ द हाउस. तो हम लोग जाते थे, पीछे जामुन तोड़ते थे, बादाम तोड़ते थे, काजू तोड़ते थे. एंड व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इज जो अच्छा ना हम लोग खा लेते थे. बाकी काम घर पे लेके आते. And the soiled one we used to get it at home, so because we had to show ना कि हमने कुछ तो किया है productive दोपहर में.
Yeah. Okay, so
and there was one more, एक और चीज हमने बचपन में की थी जिसकी वजह से मम्मी ने हम दोनों को बहुत मारा था. For the first time ever I guess, मम्मी ने हमको कुछ बोला था and me and her we conspired against her के, और मम्मी ने हमको बोला कि ऊपर जाके कपड़े सुखा कर आ जाओ. Remember? And we are like, जब देखो तभी मम्मी काम करवाती रहती है, हमको नहीं करने का ये वो. And then she said एक काम करते ऐसे ही कपड़े सुखा देते. And we just went and we just laid the clothes like this. We just threw the clothes.
Okay.
And evening में जब मम्मी कपड़े लेने गई तब कपड़ों का स्टेट इतना खराब था कि उसको 2 बार धोना पड़ता था. इतना गंदा कर लिया था हम लोग.
Of course.
और हमको जो मार पड़ी थी.
अच्छा, आप लोग को मार भी पड़ी.
So it's like yeah we gang up also, but then we fight also. It's like
okay, 2 peas in a pot. So in other words, Dipali, despite being studious and all, she's also had her fair share of mischief.
Yes, we did. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice to hear.
She's more like, you know, I was in the forefront,
हाँ.
but actually जो mastermind था वो यही था.
Okay, तो आपके कंधे पे बंदूक लगा के चलाती थी.
Exactly.
The biggest lie of each other that was caught.
Because that I'm dieting. Chale. She got caught because of her boyfriend. Definitely, that was the biggest lie. Yeah.
अच्छा.
She said that मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ friend के घर पे, and then she was caught with
हाँ, तो
a boyfriend in a theater watching a film or something like that. I don't remember. But mine actually there is no lie because I have been very open that way.
Yeah.
I've been
I
very
can't
open about
recall.
everything. There is no lie when it comes to me. Mine is an open book in front of my parents.
Okay, so the lie, and that's a pretty nice filmy lie because हम फिल्मों में अक्सर ये देखा करते हैं कि पढ़ाई के बहाने पिक्चर देखने में, at least 90s 80s के फिल्मों में.
And let me also clarify this thing before people start assuming anything, that she was caught with her current husband only. So,
Yeah, the boyfriend was my current husband. Yeah.
Yeah, I can completely understand why you said that.
what is current husband and future husband?
That's what the husband. The husband.
Okay, but that is clarified. Now I can understand why you're clarifying that. You don't need to tell me that. What happens on social media, things have to everything has to come with a disclaimer underneath.
Everything is to be spoon-fed. That's the problem.
Well, such are the times we live in. Each other's first celebrity crush.
Backstreet Boys.
Yeah, Backstreet Boys.
Wow.
Yes.
You all had a particular favorite from the Backstreet Boys? Or it was the entire group?
Nick. Yeah, Nick.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. I also love the Backstreet Boys. Okay, that was sibling rivalry, and my God, that was some really juicy khabre of each other. I love how Daisy, was at every opportunity she चलो ये मौका मिला, इसके बाद अभी और बता.
Because she is full of secrets. मेरी कोई secret है ही नहीं.
Okay, you're an open book. ठीक है. The third one we are going to play now is, we are going to play this. This is sibling rivalry. Now, obviously, you all are fantastic sisters. लेकिन जैसा आप लोग ने कहा, आप लोग झगड़ते भी है. So, to just get that concept of sibling rivalry, we are going to be asking you 10 questions, and who answers more questions correctly, they win the round. Simple. Okay. So the first one is for Dipali, and you need to tell me Daisy's first film appearance.
Film appearance. It was some Kannada movie.
Impressive. Name? You remember the name?
Bhadra.
Pardon?
Bhadra.
That's impressive. Daisy, she's right, correct?
Yeah, she is.
That's impressive. Now you need to tell me, Daisy, what was Dipali's first job?
She's directly started working as our manager to event management company. So that is the first job. But other than that, she's done teacher ka course. She's also gotten into selling dress pieces out of boredom. So that I wouldn't consider that as a job, a proper job.
So Daisy is correct. That's your first job.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one each. Dipali, you need to tell me how many South movies has Daisy been a part of?
5, 4.
I'm close.
Okay, I think she wants you to be a part of another South movie. Daisy, you must tell us what has been Dipali's all-time favorite job. Event management she's obviously done, but which has been that one event which she has handled, which has been her favorite one till date?
So she works with J8 events, and her first job was Pune ka show, Dabang show, Pune ka. But I think the one that she has mostly enjoyed the most, to put it the right way, is US tour.
Okay.
The bunk ka US show hua tha.
Okay, so that's 2-1 in favor of Daisy. Now now the next questions are for both of you all. Who answers first gets the point. The name of your school principal.
Miss Purnama.
Got it. Anyways, we would like to hear from you. Even though she gets a point, we would like to hear from Dipali also the name of our school principal.
Maria Goraiti.
Okay.
I was from a Catholic school. Yeah.
Convent. Okay. 3-1. Your 10th standard result.
76%.
3-2. Daisy, you don't want to say, you just not.
No, I got 65.
Okay, 3-2. The first movie you all watched together in a theater.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Shut up.
सड़क.
Divine.
सड़क. We saw
One
सड़क.
second. मैंने प्यार किया was released in 85. I am born 84.
89.
That's so small.
89. The release in 89.
89.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
she's
was
small.
just 4 years old.
No.
कैसे देख सकती हूँ?
But then she said
She
Sadak.
can see. She was blessed with eyes and everything. Oh, come on.
I never
No.
understood the film probably at
But-
that time.
But she went to the
No,
theater.
सड़क.
She said Sadak.
Yeah, she had.
I will not remember that. I was 4 years old.
No,
चलो
then
सड़क
you
तो याद
asked
है.
first movie. You asked first movie.
Then it has to be Sadak for sure.
Then it is. You guys take it as Sadak, yeah.
Yeah, it's
At
it's
least
3-all.
It
It's
can be.
3-all. She's catching up
Yeah.
very well. It's 3-all. Okay. The first, now this is a bit of a GK thing related to cinema. The first reality show of Indian TV.
KBC. Saregama. No, Antakshari.
No, close but not.
Something related to Antakshari for sure.
Yeah.
नहीं.
मुझे इतना भी पता है कि फिलिप्स टॉप 10 करके एक शो आता था, उसके पहले या उसके बाद आता था ये रियलिटी
Yeah.
शो.
वो आता था. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is actually something related to the format of KBC.
Give up.
Bonvita Quiz Contest.
Oh yeah. Bonvita quiz contest used to come on
अरे
Sundays.
but you should say बच्चों का ना.
अरे हाँ, लेकिन reality है.
That's a tricky question now.
And imagine बच्चे तो और मेहनत करते हैं ना. बच्चे बन के सच्चे तो वो तो और मेहनत कर रहे.
But I was not good at studies. I would have rather failed on this question also. So it's okay.
Okay. Last 2 questions. The score is 3-all, and we are coming to the last 2 questions. This one is for Dipali again. The one thing that Daisy cannot live without, and Daisy will be the judge if you are given the correct answer.
She has a sweet tooth, so desserts.
I think so. That is correct, Daisy, because you have told me this in the past.
But you know what? Actually, let me put it the right way here. उसने जो बताया ना वो मेरा नहीं बताया, उसने उसका बताया है, because she has a major sweet tooth.
No, both of us. Yeah.
For me, I would say food, like any kind of.
But we'll give her this point. We'll give it to her.
Yeah. No problem. It's okay.
So, do I even need to ask you the one thing Dipali cannot live without, or is it the same thing?
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
Perfect sibling goals, tied 4-all.
Same thing.
Okay, tied 4-all, joint winners of of the sibling rivalry round. The next one, now you all have to point fingers at each other whenever I'll ask who is most likely to do this. First one, who's the biggest prankster? The biggest tattler.
Biggest?
Tattler, chugli-khor. Okay. The biggest hothead, garam dimag. Okay. The entertainer or life of the party. Okay. The one more likely to steal toiletries from a hotel. Not actually steal everything, but kuch bhi. Okay, you do it. Okay. So, इसके पीछे कोई अच्छी कहानी होगी. कुछ तो बताइए.
I have to share this.
Yeah, please.
So, हमारे जो US स्टोर था हमारा दबंग का, द बैंक का, वहाँ पे so obviously everybody used to stay in the same hotel, artist से लेके staff से लेके event managers से लेके सब हर कोई. So she used to take stuff from her bathroom, hotel का bathroom. She used to come to my room and take my room के bathroom का stuff also.
Yeah.
One wasn't enough. You have to take it from Daisy's room also.
And then I'm like, इतना सारा करेगी क्या? She's like, काम आता है, कभी ना कभी काम आता है.
Oh, that's nice. Who's the parents' favorite?
Both.
Daisy pointed at you, but she's vehemently pointing at you. It's like
Maybe. No comments.
Okay, that's it. And who's the bathroom singer among you? इसके पीछे भी कोई कहानी है क्या?
No, not really.
Okay.
I've heard you sing so many times in the bath.
No, not really.
I mean, twice you have said कि ये तो है, but and Deepali was like, okay, no. But twice you have said कि
वो ना में भी हाँ था, वो ना कैसा था देखा ना?
okay, like you said,
ऐसा
आपके कंधे पे बंदूक लगा के. Okay. That was amazing, but now we have come to the final one. This is for your meethi yadein, not the childhood memories, but just in general, where we are going to show you photos of you all have taken together, and like they say, har picture kuch kehta hai. We have to. This is our new normal. Photo भी अभी हमें ऐसे ही दिखाना पड़ रहा है. Is visible properly?
This is
Australia.
no.
Australia, that was a pink lake.
That's US, Deepali.
Australia, we had gone for a Lakme show.
US. This is not.
Lakme show, that's the pink lake behind. Can you see?
What is wrong with you?
No, this is Australia.
This is US.
No, this is Australia.
Okay.
We had gone to see before the event.
So,
हो गया?
That is
हो गया?
Australia.
हो गया? शिकागो पिज्जा खाने गए थे, उसके पहले यहाँ पे गए थे हम लोग.
I will not agree. That's Australia.
The pink lake is not in Australia, it's in US.
That's in Melbourne. Shut up.
Okay. Australia, oh America. The thing is, they are really far apart. So one of them. Are you checking it?
Yes.
Yes.
Then even I need to check.
Okay. अभी दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा.
अभी का अभी.
Abhi, I'll tell you. Wait.
Look, this is sibling rivalry right here.
The problem is searching the picture.
We got all the time. We would want to know the.
I had gone after Guru Randhawa show. See, 25th June 2019. It is Australia, Daisy, Australia.
Deepali, 25th June, it's on your birthday.
Okay.
How do you check the location? I don't even know.
On top of the photo, there is that you just click on top of the photo and the logo.
Okay, she's right. It's Australia.
Aha.
I'm good at it.
Yeah, it's Australia.
If this was part of the sibling,
Okay.
if this was part of the sibling rivalry round, she would have won it now.
Okay, it's Australia. That's also, I'm just agreeing to it because I can see Australia ka pictures, wo picture ke आजू-बाजू.
Yeah. So it
Daisy.
is, I remember.
चलो ठीक है. I hope कि इस पिक्चर पे कोई confusion ना हो.
No.
No.
This is during CCL.
Chandigarh, yeah.
अच्छा, cricket league.
Yeah.
Okay. This seems like a lovely picture with both of you all together.
This is Ganpati last year.
Last year.
Last year Ganpati, yeah.
Last year Ganpati. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I need to know, there is one amazing, adorable one you have just put up. इसके पीछे क्या कहानी है?
Yeah. Come on.
This is my school ka annual day function where we were performing. Like every class ka ek dance performance hota tha, and this is our class ka dance performance. And I also remember the song from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Okay.
I think so. And I'm playing one of the boys.
You would like to?
Can you figure out where am I?
Let me see. You're playing one of the boys.
But do you see it?
Third in the middle.
No. क्या होता है ना, I'll tell you, हर ग्रुप में ना एक ऐसा एंथू बंदा होता है जो बेमतलब का ना वाइट स्माइल देता है.
अच्छा. तो जो मिडिल के बाजू जो खड़ा है.
हाँ, I'm the एंथू कटलेट in the picture.
Okay. तो एंथू बड़ा जरूरी है. Okay. ये एक और पिक्चर है, द डेजी आपका. And this is that entire gang together. ऐसा लगता है एलिवेटर वगैरह में कहीं लिया गया.
नहीं, ये हमारा हैदराबाद का शो. This is Hyderabad?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the Hyderabad show that we did, the Banka. So this was the after party that we had.
Okay. Now this is adorable. When did this happen? Why did this happen?
This is okay. This is where I was playing the prank.
Okay.
I told her कि चलो हम picture लेते हैं, and then she just kept on doing Snapchat में जो होता है.
Yeah.
The dog का thing.
Yeah.
And she just went on doing it. I'm just sitting holding the camera, and then if you see the video, उसके अंदर कहा भी अरे, and she says kutri if you hear it properly.
Yeah, I heard that.
So she's like kutri video ले चल.
Okay.
That's what happened.
And the last one, I couldn't leave it before showing this because Bhaijan.
This is this is in Dubai after the Bang show, and I just went up to him and I told him, "Okay, listen, I need a picture with you because I don't have any picture to upload for you on your birthday." He's like, "Aaja."
So sweet. Well, stories of sibling secrets, a fun round of sibling rivalry, childhood memories, and find toiletries के बारे में काफी पता चला हमें कि वहाँ पे क्या करती है. And then
toiletries, she used to come and attack my goodie क्या बोलते हैं, basket also.
Yeah, the hampers.
The goodie hampers that we used to
जो
get
हाँ.
हर show के पहले.
Yeah.
She used to come and attack that also because मैं कुछ भी नहीं लेके जाती. But I have to give it to her that whenever I was hungry, I would just go to her and ask her कुछ है क्या खाने के लिए, and then she would remove those things that came in the hampers, and she's like, देखा आया ना काम में आखिर में.
Came in handy, na? You have to give it to that.
Yeah,
came in. Maybe she was thinking about you only at that time when she took it all. कि भाई कभी आगे, yeah, who knows that. And finally,
yeah, maybe.
Thank you for the amazing stories, the picture stories. We really enjoyed, and I'm sure our viewers are going to enjoy them too. But this is exactly what we're looking forward to, Daisy and Dipali. We can safely say that this is proper hashtag sibling goals for everybody.
Yeah.
Proper hashtag sibling goals, amazing. And before going, I mean, Raksha Bandhan is coming. So before going, something you would like to share with the audience, something about your bond as sisters. I'm sure.
Well, we don't have, we are only two sisters. We don't have brothers for.
But
so
that is sometimes the biggest Raksha Bandhan right there.
Exactly. So we have started tying Rakhi to each other.
Yes.
And we do it every year now. And again, the entire credit goes to her because she thought of doing it and she was the one who initiated it. And we just look forward every day to seeing each other, to irritating each other. क्योंकि I guess जब तक हम एक दूसरे को गालियाँ नहीं देते ना, दिन में हमारा खाना हजम नहीं होता.
Yeah, there's always more than one fight in a day. We always have that.
Okay, so in 24 hours, that one quota has to be there.
Yes,
has to be there. Yes.
Okay, but that is lovely. That itself shows. I'm sure many siblings would relate to that. Thank you so much for doing this, Daisy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dipali, first time we have met you all, and really look forward to probably meeting you and doing this sometime again with you. But thank you so much. And for all the sibling goals and amazing, juicy and heartfelt stories that you all have shared.
Thank you for having us on your show.
Our pleasure completely. Bye-bye.
Bye.